Right, hello and welcome to another one of our sort of information videos. So today we're going to be looking at the difference between a green and a black bamboo and what happens when they're not contained in a pot. So as you can see here is a relatively new bamboo. It's been here for a number of months and it's not shot up anywhere, and that's what you'd expect from a green bamboo.
Got a black one here.
Got a black one there, and it's black because it's just this, literally that's the reason why it's black. That's how you tell.
We want to let you know, if you're putting these in your garden, what can happen if you put a black one in, green one in, a black one. Here's another black one which shows it really well.
So this one here is a black one, and as you can see, it's quite a large plant. It's established.
So, if you look here,
so at the base of the plant, there we go, look,
it's here, and if you look there, that can throw another bamboo shoot a foot away from the original plant.
So I don't know if you know, but this is a bamboo shoot, and this is what bamboo looks like. It doesn't look like that.
This.
It looks like that basically, and it's what it's done. It's come all the way along here and up, and if we pulled this up, you would see it as it goes down into the soil, and
you can see these now.
And also, there's another one here. This has come up here as well. Look.
What they tend to do when they shoot off, they
show
grow
how big it is.
rapidly.
It's massive. I can't even tell.
A couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks.
That has literally grown in about 2-3 weeks. That high.
The shoot is pushed off. It's 8 foot tall.
It's 8 foot tall. Look how big it is.
You've got one there, another one there, another one there. Obviously that one there, and it'll just keep throwing shoots off, and it'll just spread and spread and spread. So what we're trying to basically say to you, bear in mind this one here is a foot away from the original plant. They can be quite invasive. So if you're going to buy black bamboo, keep them in the pot.
Yeah, so you must keep these black bamboos in a pot. Or my advice is to you is not to buy them. If you want to plant it in the bamboo up normally.
Bamboo, there again, and they stay fairly close together. They don't go shooting off everywhere.
You see, these ones haven't shot off.
There's a green one. It stays close to the base of the plant. Yeah. You see, it doesn't go off. It stays clumped to the plant at the bottom. It doesn't run, basically. Same again here, green. Everything stays close to the original plant. So, hope this helps somebody. Again, if you like the videos, support us, give us a thumbs up. Happy summer.
Yeah, don't plant black bamboo unless it's in a container, or unless this is what you want. So there you go, that's what happens. Thanks for watching.
Just to actually see it.
It's just one of those things where unless you've seen it you wouldn't believe it, and they do go all the way along and all the way up, so we'll find them elsewhere soon. Thanks for watching.